Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get this amazing application where you can watch live TV as well as live sports totally for free. And we got channels from all over the world, including US, UK, Canada, Australia, France, and other countries as well. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get that app to your device. First of all, you'll have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. In order to do so, we gotta go to search on your device, and then here in the search bar, start entering Downloader. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So let's click on it, and that's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you get Downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. So in order to actually set up Downloader, we will need to go to the settings, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it. And here we'll have to enable developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, it's actually easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you'll have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times, and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see now at the bottom, for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case, and in your case it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have appeared for us right here. Let's open them, turn on ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps. From here just locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally let's go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here. We open it, and there's the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using Downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to the Netherlands right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we gotta go to the list of apps on your device, and then of course open Downloader. Wait until it opens for you, and then here on the left side menu, it's very important that you click on Home and not on Browser. So once again, make sure that you have clicked on Home, and then here in that search bar, we'll need to enter a code, which is going to be 28907. and 7. So once again, the code is 28907. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see, and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, then the code is not going to work. After that, you have to click on Go, and while the website is loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and this way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now, after the website has opened, we just scroll down a bit until we find that list of categories. From here, we need to click on Live TV. Then a huge list of apps is going to open for you. From here, what we're looking for is the Blink Streams application. Let's click on it. Then an ad might pop up for you. If it does pop up, don't worry, and just click on close or on X to close down the ad. In my case, we gotta click on that little X right here. So we click on it, and now a new web page should open, which we also need to scroll down until we find that download button right here. Let's click on it, and now in a couple of moments the download is going to start. Usually it doesn't take long, as you can see in my case. Then you click on install and wait until Blink Streams gets installed to your Fire Stick or Android TV, depending on what kind of device you're using. And then don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way we'll be able to delete the installation files, as we don't need them anymore on our device. So click on delete and then delete once again. Now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your Fire Stick. There it is, open it, then scroll down, and there you'll find Blink Streams application, which we just downloaded. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way Blink Streams is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.